Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put a Dodge Caravan in neutral without key updated. Contact roadside assistance or a licensed locksmith immediately to avoid damage or legal issues. Keep your registration, insurance, or ownership documents ready to prove you own the vehicle. Explain the situation clearly and ask the technician to place the transmission in neutral or to tow the vehicle safely. Never attempt to bypass ignition systems yourself to prevent injury or liability. Before help arrives, collect your vehicle registration, insurance card, and an ID to show ownership quickly and calmly to the technician. Photograph the dashboard, key position, and VIN if accessible to speed verification. Make a note of your exact location, visible hazards, and safe parking details so responders can arrive prepared. Communicate any towing or storage preferences clearly to avoid surprises and to protect your vehicle and belongings. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more practical and safe advice. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle keeps you hydrated during roadside waits and practical recovery tasks, so consider checking the description for the link and current deals. Your support helps fund accurate content and vetted recommendations to keep you safe on the road. Now let's get back to the video. When professionals arrive, they will verify ownership before performing any work to protect both parties. Locksmiths use non-invasive tools and manufacturer-approved methods to avoid harm to the ignition or electronics. Roadside technicians follow safe procedures to place an automatic transmission in neutral or to tow the vehicle properly. If a replacement key is required, a dealer can program a new key using vehicle records, avoiding risky DIY attempts that could void warranties.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.